Hey all, take a look at my skin. It is really doing well. It doesn't really do bad. I do have some problem areas, but I'm going to show you the skincare routine that I'm going through. Just stay tuned for the video to see how to keep your skin smooth and healthy.
Hey guys, what's going on? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So I wanted to bring a quick video to you about something that I get asked about a lot, and it's some of my most popular videos, and that is, what is your skincare routine? And if you guys got questions about my hair, I have a video either before or after this one on this hair and actually how I tease it to kind of make it like this. It's the Malaysian curly from Nadula. My skincare routine pretty much is the same. I don't really steer to doing anything very different. I get offers from a lot of companies to sponsor my videos so I can do like a skincare routine with their product, and I went ahead and decided to do one for a company called Skin Deva. They sent me some of their products, and I wanted to tell you about it. Now, I've been using their products for probably a month and a half now. I told them I'm not doing a video right away. It will take me some time to give my opinion on your product because I want to see what it actually does for my skin. And the reason why I did a review for them is because I love it when people say that they're organic or natural, and that's what they are. So I said, you know what, it won't hurt. Let me just go ahead and use it. I want to read the ingredients and really try it out and see how it does. To me, my skin doesn't change much, but one thing that made me really like the product when I was using it is that I was getting a bump at the tip of my nose that hurt like all get out, and I said, oh, this is gonna be a doozy. This is gonna be a mountain. And I just kept using the product and it just dissipated. It just went away. I was like, okay. I was like really happy about that. So I'm just going to take you through exactly what I do and how I use their product. Now, when I'm washing my face, this is what I wash my face with. I've been using this for probably 7 years. This is the Purity Cleanser by Philosophy. Absolutely love it. It's very natural. You can open your eyes while you're washing it, which I wouldn't really recommend, but I have, and it's fine. And it gets all of my makeup off. I don't care if I have waterproof on, whatever. This gets it off my face. Sorry for Murphy. He's not happy that I'm making a video. Wash my face. I always use an astringent, and this is the Oil Eliminating Clear Neutrogena, and that's the one I've been using for quite a while now. The Neutrogena, you can get it from Target or Walmart or what have you. It's not that expensive. It's a clear pour. Every single night is I use the Skin Deva Hydrating and Anti-Infusing Infusion Spray. Now, this is good to use after your makeup. This is good to use to kind of hydrate your skin. It's supposed to be a lavender with, it's called arginine and lavender extract. It does not smell like lavender at all to me. In fact, it smells very earthy, hence Skin Deva, you know, claims with the different earthy materials that they use. I mean, it has some other things. It's all natural, it's cruelty-free, it's paraben-free, and I actually do like the spray. Do I say I notice anything about it? I don't really like the smell. I think those are the cons, but I like it because it does feel like my skin is hydrated and I don't feel like I have to put on any lotion. So I really, really like that fact. So I do this one at night. The one that I do in the morning to hydrate my skin or moisturize my skin before I put my makeup on. And this is from MAC, and I believe this is discontinued. And I had a couple of bottles of these, but it's the Lightful Marine Bright Formula Softening Lotion. Absolutely, absolutely love this. I even use this on my clients, and I got to figure out something else to use. So this is not a Skin Deva product. It is the MAC softening lotion. Absolutely love it, and it does exactly what it says it's going to do. It's going to soften the face. It gets it ready for makeup. I absolutely love it. This from them is from Skin Deva. And this is only at night. You can use it before you put your makeup on, but I choose not to because, again, I don't like using serums or oils to put on my face before I put makeup on. I just don't. Some people love to do it. I don't. But it's a 20% vitamin C and E ferulic acid serum. And it has no smell to it. It comes in a bottle like this. This is actually my second bottle that I have from them. I have one upstairs, but I just brought the box down so you can kind of see. But it is a drop type of a thing, and I have not even opened this one, but it's a drop. So you squeeze it, drop it in your hand. It has a little bit of an oil feel, not really. It's more of a serum than an oil. And I like to concentrate it around my nose area. I have kind of like, I don't know what you want to call them. They're not big pores, but they are like these little bitty dots on my nose. And this actually, I asked them when they were sending me stuff, I said, can you help with the pores on my nose, kind of to shrink them. They're not whiteheads. Well, I guess they are little bitty tiny whiteheads, but it actually did help with that. So I really liked it. So I like the ingredients with their product. I like the price range. So make sure you visit the website. Everything's going to be listed down below. I think that my skin for $42 looks pretty awesome. And I don't veer a lot with my skincare. As you can see with my older videos, a lot of my skin products are the same. And I always want to see if I do choose to do something for a company, a skincare company, I want to see, are you going to improve my skin or is it going to get worse? Let's see. So really like it. And I just felt like this is evening my skin as well too. Like I don't really have the dark circles or whatever, but I just felt like it was kind of evening the skin. Even, you know what I'm talking about, the skin. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care, guys.